Hello, welcome to my virtual open house presentation for 2021. My name is Mr. Larson. I'm part of the math department and also the ACE Academy pathway at Jordan High School. Our book this year is Math and You. I want to give you a short tour of that book. So if you want to get to it online, you type in math.nu.com. This is the page that you will see. To get to an individual page, you can type in the number here and click go. Now, once you get there, you'll notice that there's additional informational items on the right side. And also, if you click on an item like this, a checkpoint solution, that will give you not only an answer to the checkpoint questions, but how you get those answers. So on this one, I've now clicked on this, and you can see this is an answer to C and D, which are right here, showing you how you get the answer and the answer itself. Now also, if you want to see this page a little bit better, just click anywhere on the page and you'll get a bigger version of the page. And with the zoom, you can zoom in even further. This is a page of homework that we did about a week ago. Wanted to point out here that anytime the word data appears on a folder, it will open up a spreadsheet that will help you make things like a table. Also, for the odd problems, you can click on the worked out solution, which will give you the answer to these problems, but also how you got the answer. And hopefully that would help you also do the even problems. Now, if students need extra help, they should go to Canvas, and you're going to see a button that looks like this, Help, and you can click any of these things, which will take you to a document right here. This top thing is not a Zoom Meet, it's a Google Meet, which is the same thing basically. So this would be online tutoring, and it's Monday through Friday, 3 to 5. So you can spend only a few minutes or 2 hours. So keep that in mind if they do have some questions. Another option is to call in with the telephone. Here's the phone number. This is only Monday through Thursday, and it is a little later, 4 to 6:30 p.m. Other things would be the textbook, which I've already gone over with you, Khan Academy, which you would go and do some searches for the topics you're looking for, and also YouTube. For example, we're doing a lot of things with taxes right now. So you could do a YouTube search for property tax, for example. Now, can grades still be raised? Yes. Is it too late? No. What should a student be doing? Turning in late work. Assignments with a 5 aren't done. So if you see the grades and you see 5 out of 10, that doesn't mean that they got half of it right. It means that they haven't done it. So a student should finish and turn in those assignments. Will there be a penalty for that late work? No. If you turn it in, that 5 will become a 10, and that will help raise the grade pretty dramatically. All work is due by the day of the final. So for my Block 7 class, that final would be on Monday, June 14th, and for my Block 6 class, that would be Tuesday, June 15th. And that concludes my video. Please contact me if you do have any questions.